This construction is actually a movable bridge too. Perhaps the most unusual of all you have seen so far. It is amazing both in its form and principle of work. The cage is a 12-meter pedestrian bridge. It was invented by the designer Thomas Heatherwick. The rolling bridge consists of 8 triangular fragments working by hydraulics. The bridge rolls and unrolls once a week, on Fridays at 12. And in general, there is no practical sense in this, except the opportunity for rare tourists here to observe the amazing process.
Why people all around the world think that this is the most interesting mobile bridge?
Well, I'm delighted to hear that. Of course. Obviously, I think it is too. It's a big tourist attraction in Paddington. For us, the reason we wanted to do something here is we wanted to create some animation in the basin and some excitement. And Paddington's always been the seat of pioneering, the seat of engineering firsts. The idea is to create some excitement around the basin. It's part of our placemaking agenda, but also leaving a mark, creating a very important mark, which is this is something special and unique.
The most striking thing is that very few people walking on this bridge realize that it is an amazing and unique engineering design that is right under their feet. Of course, until the bridge comes into motion, this process doesn't leave anyone indifferent.